Good morning or good afternoon, scholars, depending on what time of day I have you. I'm very excited. This is the first day of a new week, and this is the last week before spring break. So I hope that you guys are refreshed, restored, rejuvenated, and ready to start this week out strong. So today we are going to Monday, March 8th, and Tuesday, March 9th. You're going to demonstrate your understanding of author's purpose by participating in your formative assessment. This is your first assessment for this 6 weeks. You will have the entire class period to complete your formative assessment. Once you finish working on your formative assessment, you're welcome to complete any missing or incomplete assignments. So your first step is to open the Author's Purpose Formative Assessment PDF. And you want to be sure to open that with DocHub. Remember, Google Docs does not show the images for your questions, so we want to make sure that we open it with DocHub. And I'm going to open mine with a different tab. So the first text is familiar. We used this text on last week. So you will see the City of Romo. Oh, now let me scroll down. The City of Romo Curbside Recycling Program. Okay, it's not letting me. Oh, it's still saving. So I'm going to just read it from this one. So you see the City of Romo Curbside Recycling Program. Since we've already read this, you can just reread if you need to, or if you do not need to. You can just go ahead and summarize the bottom. Give me the beginning, middle, and end of the text. And then you can circle your answers 1 through 4 for the first text. Your new text for today. I'm going to read the selection and choose the best answer to each answer. So you're going to read litter everywhere independently. And then complete the corresponding questions, which is question 5 through 10. There will be a separate video for the read aloud of the questions and answers and instructions. This purpose is just to give you an overview of what we're doing today. So you're going to either highlight your answers or circle them with DocHub. Once you're done circling your answers and summarizing, you're going to go back to Google Classroom. And now, your step 2, you're going to answer the questions using the Google form. So I'm going to update that in your instructions so that you don't get confused. Then answer them. Step 2, Step 1, read each text and add a text about to summarize the text using beginning, middle, and end. Then answer the questions using DocHub. Then step 2, answer the questions using the Google form. Once step 1 and step 2 is done, these are just reminders. If you don't have any missing assignments, you may independently read on Epic. And then again, don't forget to highlight or circle your answers, use a DocHub, and then answer them on that Google form. If you need to use a dictionary, you may. That's the only other resource that you may be able to use during your formative assessment. You only get 1 attempt, so please take your time. Be diligent in the time that we have during class time. If you are on track and doing your absolute best and reading at the appropriate time and answer your questions diligently, I can anticipate that you're going to finish this test during class. So good luck. I know that you don't need luck because you guys have been working very hard. You've been showing up and you guys have been showing me that you can do this. So let's make this a great week. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye for now.